vacuum cleaner cleans more efficiently than the new Hoover Turbo Power Plus. Because no other upright vacuum cleaner takes more dirt from carpets. Of course, it also carries its own permanently fitted tools. Little wonder, everywhere Howard goes, a Hoover Turbo Power Plus goes first.